Hey, welcome back to the Neighborhood Go-To Guy. Today's video, making a house call, working on a lawn boy with 20-inch deck. Won't start. First things to check always on a lawnmower is the air filter and the spark plug. As you can see, I went ahead and took that off. Super dirty. Super dirty. Put in a new one, getting a new air filter, just added fresh fuel, and it fired right up. I'll show you. But yeah, whenever you work on these, just some of the first things to check, because sometimes they just don't get maintenance properly. And as the case shows here, old air filter, dirty spark plug, old fuel, change them out, you should have an operating machine. There was a little bit of a rough idle for a few seconds, but that's because there was old fuel still left. Typically, when you have issues with your mower, first things you want to check: air filter, spark plug, fresh fuel, and your oil level. Typically, that's what's going to be wrong if you're having issues with your mower not starting. Not always going to be the issues, but more than likely that's going to be the first cause. So I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time from the Neighborhood Go-To Guy.